How to make money on Upwork as a WordPress theme customizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the Get Started button. And here you create your account. So make sure to join as a freelancer. And then click on Apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. After that, you click on Create My Account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm just going to log in, enter my password. And then this is where you're going to create your profile. And this is the last step of creating your profile. As you can see, 10 out of 10. So just let's go back to the first steps. To start from the beginning. And this is the first step. So here click on Get Started. And you answer these questions. Have you freelanced before? Choose the answer that fits your situation. I'm going to go with I'm a brand new to this. I believe a lot of you guys who's watching me are brand new to this. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Same thing, answer with the answer that fits your situation. Then click on Next. And here make sure to check all of these boxes, choose all of them, even the third one in here. They are very helpful. Then click on Next to create a profile. So here you can either import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file on your desktop, or you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with manually. Click on Start a new profile, and here you type or you enter your skill. Then click on Next to add your experience. So here you add your previous work experience. Same thing with education. You add your education history in here. And then you proceed to add in the languages. So English is a must. And you can enter your level in it in here. For me, it's conversational. And if you are speaking any other languages, you can add them. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. My native language, which is Arabic, and French, which is the language I studied in school. Like that, and my level in it, I would say basic. Then click on Next to add your skills. So here we have already suggested some skills for us: WordPress theme, WordPress plugin, BBPress, WordPress. Let's see if we can find any more skills regarding WordPress. WordPress customization, WordPress landing page, WordPress customization, WordPress website design. So you can add maximum 15 skills. So you can add as many as you have. And then click on Next to write an overview. So here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. So this is an example of a bio, a small talk, and some bullet points. And guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and type I'm a WordPress theme customizer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very good bio. Just make sure to check that bio, make some adjustments if needed, and if not, just copy and paste it in here directly. For me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio. I don't want to make the video too long. And here, enter this bio, click on Next to choose your categories. And in here, search for your service. They've already suggested some services for us. web development and e-commerce development, and that's enough for me. Then click on next to set your rate, and here let's choose $30 per hour, and then click on next to add your photo and location. So here a few last details, then you can check and publish your profile. So here just make sure to fill all of these information, and for the photo make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind, guys. And when you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. So just let me show you. I will need to log out first. You will not need to log out. I'm doing this just to go back to the main page. And guys, basically the idea is that you're going to search for your competitors, the people that are doing the same skill like yours, and see what are they talking about in the profile. Look for the highest earners between them and see how their bio looks like, what they write in their bio, how much are they getting paid. So this one earns 60 grand, 400 grand, more than 100 grand, more than 100,000, more than $1 million earned. So basically I think this one is the highest earner in this category. Let's check the second page to see. So I think the 1 million man is the highest earner. So let's check the 1 million. This man, check his profile, see what he writes in his bio, the skills that he is doing, what is he talking about in his bio. He has 100% job success. He gets $110 per hour, and this is his bio, plus 12 years skill in full stack website development, and he has 64 completed jobs, and all of them have 5 stars. Awesome, awesome. No feedback given. 5 stars, all 5 stars, and this is his in progress jobs, and he has a lot of in progress jobs, 6. So as I said, just make sure to see what is he doing and try to copy that for your profile. And in order to find more work in the platform, go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and type your skill in this search bar and see all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skills. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.